So let me teach you how you can clean up and speed up your computer. First Control R, then write prefetch, then hit enter. Then when this screen appears, there are many unwanted things. Just control everything, then press shift delete so that it will be deleted permanently. Now these contents are deleted. Now what we'll do is again go for window R and type temp and hit enter. Inside temp there will be some unwanted things like we can see here, but I have already deleted everything, so there is nothing. But in your screen there will be many things. Press Ctrl A and delete everything. Shift delete so that it will be deleted permanently. Now you write percentage temp percentage. Now inside this also many things will be there like unwanted things which will not affect your computer if deleted. So what we'll do is control everything and delete. If some extra things are there, skip that. At last we'll go for again control window R and type clean CLEAN wait sorry CLEANMGR. Hit enter. Inside that you can see there's some things are there. You can also select everything, check mark everything. I want only to check mark the thumbnail which is occupying up to 90 MB and delete it. It will just process and delete everything. It will not affect any of your system. Thank you. Don't